Hey guys, what is up? I have today what I hope to be a quick video. We'll see how it goes. But this just showed up in mail. Well, it wasn't today, it was yesterday. But I didn't have time to do this video yesterday. So we're doing it today. We're going to take a peek at this and see what it is. Now, you guys probably already know what I got here. It's the way YouTube works. I got to make a thumbnail. If it is what I think it is, let's see if it was worth the wait. All right. Yeah, so what we got is a box in a box. Now, that's a good thing, I guess. I know how crazy most of you collectors are about your boxes. I am not one of those guys, but I can appreciate the sentiment. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy. All right. Yeah, you got to give them credit. This is nicely packaged, and yes, I see what it is. There we go. Well, what we have here is the 2024 RLC Selections Drag Bus, and yeah, let's get that closer to the thing here. I've been looking forward to this for a while for a couple reasons. Number one, I think this is a really good color combination that they've chosen. And like, I'm not a huge fan of green. I like green, but it works so well on the drag bus because this casting has simply been done to death. And it's cool to have it in interesting deco, which this is very much an interesting deco. Let's go ahead and pull this out of here. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. 1 second. So let's get a closer look of this car here. There we go. So what we have here is the Hot Wheels drag bus. And of course, this is the RLC version, which is a special, different version than what you see at retail. It has to be to meet the RLC standards, which are, you know, quite a bit higher than regular retail casting. Really cool car, great casting, very popular. But to be honest with you, as popular as this casting is, I'm actually kind of surprised it won last year. And I think this won the initial vote. To win, this car beat the Jaguar E-Type, one of the most beautiful RLC castings, if you ask me. The Mustang Cobra R, the Monte Carlo Lowrider, which came in second, and then the BMW M3, which came in third, which also surprises me, to be honest with you, because the second week, we got the color, which is Spectre Flame Teal. And then the third week, we got the wheels, which are the 5-spoke mags. And it is a beauty. Van did a magnificent job on the deco. There's not much left to say about this. We all know the drag bus. It's a great casting. It's super popular. And this is a pretty damn awesome iteration of it. So let's go ahead and release this fella and then get a close look. Okay, so this is how I like to release these RLC cars. To me, this is the best way to pull the car out, but still preserve the packaging, you know, at least to the best you can. I just take a razor blade and I cut through along the edges. I cut it around all three sides, and then you'll see I'll be able to just peel this back and pull the car out. You gotta be careful, don't cut yourself, and you don't want to damage the car. There we go. Okay, once you do that, this will just peel back. You can pull the car out, but then you can also put the car back in. This one's a little wonky, like that. And once this is back in its protector, you really can't tell you had it out. I think this is a great way to enjoy these cars fully outside of the package while still retaining this carded look that most people prefer. So anyway, let's take a look at the car. It's really a bizarre casting, if you ask me. It's it's you know, it's pretty weighty. Um, it's got that VW bus look with the Hot Wheels treatment to it. Looks gorgeous on the outside, and the drag bus also has an opening feature, and it's got some nice details in there as well. It's not over the top detailed, and this is all metal right here. It's a little plastic piece right here, and that's the cockpit, I guess, of the drag car. That's plastic, but everything else, all metal. Really cool. So anyway, that is the 2024 Selections drag bus. Let me go ahead and crank up the turntable, and we'll get a real close look at it.